when it's really cold out, remember, a lot of times you'll have radiator issues. Okay, check this out. Lexus dealership wanted to charge me $150 an hour to take this car apart, take their sweet time, and try to find a problem. So basically, they're saying not this, but this. So this right here could be your second problem. Okay, check this out. What I did, instead of replacing and buying a new one, I just did that. Same concept. Okay, real quick, you have a leak. Your antifreeze is leaking, booyah. Okay, if you have a vehicle, RX 350, 2010 to 2015, you need a cap like this, all right here, okay? Booyah. If you don't get a cap like this, you will have a major problem, not only with your radiator, but possibly engine issues, okay? Now this part costs $16. Get it as soon as possible or you're in trouble. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. I had a leak. As you can see, 2T2BK1BA. Boom. I gotta replace this. I've been noticing the smell of antifreeze, okay, coolant. And I've been trying to figure out what happened. And all I need is this cap here. And the crazy thing is Lexus wants you to pay for this. Really? Thanks, Lexus. So it's $16. Thank God it's only $16. And as you can see, mine's pretty much full. So the first thing you want to do, you want to check how much coolant you have. All right, we're good. The second thing we do is we want to check all the hoses. All right, and I'll show you the problem, how to fix this. It's easy. All right, so the hoses here, you got one here, so that's good. You want to check here, right? But we're seeing liquid right here. We're seeing pink, right? You can, it doesn't really have a smell. Now also, if you have a newer Lexus and if you take the cover off, okay, this is crazy, especially if you park outside. Remember to clean over here, the leaf area. Two, remember to take this thing off. Look at all the, I found a nest in here. Now Lexus is a beautiful car. They're an amazing vehicle. But, you got to take care of these little issues. Windshield and that area. So you check all the hoses, right? You want to check all the hoses before you check the radiator itself. Usually it's a hole, okay? Because of the cold, a lot of bad things can happen. And as you can see, the leaking has stopped. Is it leaking? Nope.